October of 2015, HS launched the HS5000 valve. The main objectives were to design a smaller, more aesthetically appealing valve, improve the locking mechanism, utilize a simpler and more reliable switch, and allow the valve to work with wall thicknesses of up to 1.5 inches. Finally, we wanted to make the HS5000 in the USA. Sometimes being the first to market means you must learn some tough lessons the hard way. Shortly after launch, we discovered we had some issues. We made addressing those issues our #1 priority, which included replacing any valves that went out, no questions asked. However, we were not done. Over the last 8 years, we have made significant improvements to the HS5000 valve. This video explains these changes. In an effort to make a more positive and smooth door closure, we added guide channels to help the bumps on the door naturally align with the door frame. In addition, the original door made a clicking noise when the door opened all the way. The door was redesigned, and now the door is quiet when it opens and closes. In order to improve sealing, especially on uneven walls, we thickened the outer ring of the door seal and changed the durometer. We also increased the diameter of the seal to ensure a positive seal and prevent bleed-off when the power unit shuts down. Finally, we added a seal backing plate to ensure the seal stays in place. We assemble every valve in our facility in Monroe, Washington, and every valve is tested twice for leaks before we ship it. Stronger is better, so we added gussets to the valve housing to increase the durability of the valve. Nylon washers were also added to prevent any hoop stress. We also added nylon to material in the parts that moved, in order to increase durability of these key parts. Adding nylon to plastic increases the cost, but makes the parts much stronger. Unfortunately, there are times when dealers never have a chance to show customers how the system works. Most of the issues that we have seen with the HS5000 come from people not using the locking mechanism correctly. They try to pull the hose out when it's in the locked position, or store the hose in the locked position, which can damage the rubber sleeve. Every new valve now comes with a QR code sticker inside the door, which links to an instructional video called How to Use Your HS. In addition, we provide labels that describe the locked and unlocked positions. The video and instructional labels have reduced the chances of having issues with locking sleeves significantly. We received feedback from our dealers about how gravity affected the hose when installed going up tall ceilings. We found that in certain conditions the hose wanted to fall down and push against the door. So we redesigned our hose cuff so an O-ring can be installed. The O-ring provides just enough added friction to prevent the hose from succumbing to gravity and pushing against the door. So the current HS5000 is very different from the product that launched in 2015. In fact, we sometimes refer to it as the HS5000 Enhanced. Even with all the changes we've made, we are still working on ways to continue to improve it. At HS, we believe there's always a better way to do things, and we can't wait for you to see what's coming next.